Hello guys! Ayan, we're going mukbang!
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade.
Hello guys! Ayan, we're going mukbang na spargle. Ayan guys, o tingnan nyo. Ang spargle ay, ayan, o diba? Masarap siya guys. Talagang, I cook first in hot water or in boiling water, this spargle, or I mean the asparagus. Tapos ayun, I put some eggs and cheese. So ayan guys, let us eat. Sarap-sarap kaya nito. Yummy as in yummy. Ayan guys. So let's taste one. And this is very healthy, remember? Ayan, oh guys. Look. Oh my God. Diba? Yummy. Tapos meron tayong bread. Guys, really yummy. Ang sarap mga kalindog. And of course, ayan ang eggs. Sarap. Yummy. At ayan guys, meron tayong fish. Sarap. Sarap guys, really yummy. This is German spargle. Sarap. Grabe. Busin natin to guys, ha? You know guys, the spargle is healthy for the urine. For the urine, you know? Yung gusto ko siya. Very healthy. Diba? This food is we eat this like in Italian in Rome. We eat like this spargle guys. Ayan, look po, there's a lot of cheese, oh, di ba? Cheese, tumutulog. Cheese and cheese. And guys, oh, it's warm. Yummy. Oh my God, guys. Ang sarap. Really yummy. Press na press gaya ang asparagus. Di ba? Tapos yung egg, oh. Yummy. Guys. Ang sarap, grabe. Really yummy. Oh my God. Guys, ayan. So, satisfied ang ating lunch. Isang. And then I put also the parmesan. With parmesan cheese, guys. Diba? Yummy. Sarap, grabe. Guys, this is my favorite, really. I really do love the vegetable. Diba? Kain tayo ng kain, guys. Diba? Like what I told you always, guys. Enjoy our life, guys. Ayan. Enjoy. Talagang super. So, ayan mga kalindog. Ayan, o diba? Yummy. So, ayan mga kalindog. Thank you for watching. Thank you. I hope that you enjoy my mukbang. Kainin natin to lahat, okay? Ang harap. Grabe. Ang lambot niya because this is a German Spargel. Yummy, guys. So, ayan guys, almost done. Almost na. Matapos na tayo. Ang sarap mga kalindog. A lot of cheese. Oh my God, guys. Really yummy. And of course, ayan ang ating egg. With more cheese. Guys. Diba? Very yummy yan, guys. Yummy. And guys, last but not the least, go. Ayan. Go na tayo. Go. So, ayan mga kalindog. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you enjoy my mukbang with Spargle. And don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you're always notified with my new videos. O yan guys, thank you, bye. I love you all. Yum, yum.